Yo, welcome back to Naija Gist Central, the home of correct gists, no lies, no exaggeration. Today's gist just hot well. Isaac Fayose don drag Cubana Chiefpriest for source of wealth. Uzor Arukwe don clear air on Rumour say e dey date Bambam. And our very own Tems don break another big record for Billboard. No lies, no fake gist, na correct story we go yarn give una today. Abeg sit down well, take your drink and popcorn as we dive into the gist proper. Wahala don burst for social media as Isaac Fayose don come hard on Cubana Chiefpriest over im public lifestyle and the kind money wey e dey show online. Isaac Fayose tok say if Nigeria be normal country, authorities suppose don dey ask question about the sources of wealth of Cubana Chiefpriest, because according to am, the way money dey fly around am, im head too loud. E no accuse am of any particular crime but e strongly question how influencers and socialites dey take get sudden big money, expensive cars, trips and luxury lifestyle without clear business explanation. Dis statement come after Cubana Chiefpriest make political comments online, support certain politicians and dey speak for government. Many Nigerians react sharply to the outburst o. Some talk say Isaac Fayose get right to ask question because public figure suppose expect public scrutiny. Others talk say Isaac Fayose dey bitter and dey use Cubana Chiefpriest trend to chase relevance. Supporters of Cubana Chiefpriest say e be business brand ambassador and nightlife promoter, and say for his hustle e legit. For now, Cubana Chiefpriest no release any official response to Isaac Fayose words, but the online space don hot as fans dey drag both sides. Dis matter don also raise bigger conversation about how Nigerian influencers display wealth online and how people dey always question legitimacy anytime lifestyle loud pass explanation. Wetin una think for dis matter? My mouth dey short I just see I post. Actor Uzor Arukwe don finally break silence on the rumour wey dey circulate online say e get romantic relationship with Bambam. According to Uzor, the rumour no be true at all. E tok say people dey confuse movie roles and friendly work relationship with real life romance. E explain say for Nollywood, actors fit play lovers, husband and wife, even dey close for promotion videos, but dat no mean say dem dey date. Uzor come emphasize say Bambam na married woman and na mama na mother na im be, and e respect her home and her family. E beg bloggers and fans make dem no dey create stories wey fit cause unnecessary ten sion for people marriage and personal life. Many fans don react some say Nigerians dey too quick to ship any male and female celebrity wey appear together. Others say dis kind rumour dey unfair to married women in the industry because anytime wey dem work closely with male colleague, dem go begin drag dem. For now, Uzor Arukwe don draw the line clearly. No relationship, no dating, just professional work relationship. Bam bam bam! Make una no call im name again, e don clear im name online. Beautiful and talented Nigerian singer Tems don break another international record as she become the first African female artist to record 7 entries on the Billboard Hot 100 charts. Dis achievement no come overnight o. Tems don gradually build her career with international collaborations, global tours, and consistent music presence outside Nigeria. Her feature on foreign songs and her own solo works don help push her into global spotlight, and Billboard recognition show say African female artists dem dey finally get the at ten tion wey dem deserve on world stage. Many Nigerians don celebrate her achievements online o. Dem hail am as inspiration to young girls wey dey pursue music career. Some fans still dey talk say Nigeria need to invest more in supporting female artists because Tems success show say when talent get platform, the world go lis ten. Dis milestone don also spark conversations about how African women dey break barriers in global music industry. Despite facing more obstacles than their male counterparts. Dis girl no just fine, talent full. Congratulations! So na so the gist be today from Naija Gist Central. Which one sweet you pass? Na Fayose and Cubana Chiefpriest wahala, or Uzor Arukwe wey clear dating rumour with Bambam, or Tems wey make African proud again? Drop your mind for comment section make we know wetin you think. No forget to like dis video, share am o, give your people and subscribe if you never subscribe. Na here we go dey get correct Naija gist. No lies, no cut corners. Till next time, may God bless you. Sign out.